Welcome back to Introduction to Linux. My name is Connor Meisner-Toops, and I'm your guide through this series. You are watching the final video of this series. In video 7, we covered Vim. In this video, we are going to be using Vim to edit our bash RC. Alright, let's take a look at a practical example. Let's go back up to my home folder and Vim the .bash RC file. Do you remember when we talked about this? Let's go ahead and finally add an alias. Go ahead and scroll to the bottom and press Shift-A to go to the end of the line. Let's add some character space. Let's add a comment. And then write an alias. Note that the blue lines won't actually be read by the system. It's just a way for you to add reminders or explanations about what you're doing inside of a file. There we go. Press Escape, write the file, and stop. Now, open up a new tab. Okay, it looks like the terminal's functional. Yep. Everything's working like you'd expect. Let's go ahead and test out that previous command. Yep, looks like the command works. Now we have a permanent alias called grep-free. Let's close this terminal. We can do that by pressing the X at the top or simply typing exit. Let's go ahead and quit this file. Clear things out. Now let's run the command. grep_free desktop license. Command not found. Wait, it was just working. If we open up a new tab, we run the same command, it works. What's going on? Well, you haven't actually refreshed this terminal yet. Your terminal is still using the old bash RC file. If you want to update it, you need to source. There we go. Let's clear things out, and let's try this again. And there you go. It works. No issues. Now that you know Vim, you can do pretty much anything you need to when editing videos. Well, that wraps up our video series. At this point, you have all the tools you need to use Linux as a base user. What's next? Well, that's up to you. I suggest you review the series and make sure you know all the commands gone over, and then I'd start using Google or another search engine to go find out more information. If you're taking the NOS 120 course, then I would recommend you look at your syllabus and talk with your teacher about where to take your studies now. Thanks for watching, and have fun messing with Linux.